Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and
Hi guys, this is Michelle and this is my everyday wife life. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button, and if you already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so you will not miss another video.
let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
Okay guys, I am doing another Sunday home refresh or a Sunday reset, whichever you want to call it. So I'm starting a little earlier this morning at 9:45. I think last video I didn't start my Sunday reset till 2 o'clock. Kind of got nothing going on today. Hubby and I are just relaxing, and I'm taking several breaks and doing little by little.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
Okay, so I did a quick clean of the kitchen. I still have more to do. But right now I'm going to take a break, eat a banana, and drink my carrot juice and start my to-do list.
If I let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, I'm taking my first little break, and I am using my massage thingy. I don't know what you call it. It's called Massage Peanut, actually. I will put the link down below. It has really helped me. It helps my blood circulation and gets me going in the morning.
The sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, I'm going to grab some water, and this is my messy laundry room. It is on the list, but not sure if I'm going to get to that today. We shall see.
Life is a winding road, no telling.
All right, now I'm going to edit a video and post it, and then get back to doing some laundry. Okay, but first I need to clean up the family room a little bit. Hubby's hanging out on the couch watching some TV, and it's definitely lighter and brighter in this room now that we have painted the wall, but guess what? It's going to be repainted again. Sometime this week, Gary is going to come over, aka my handyman, and we're going to paint the wall something that not matches, but goes with the couch. I've been saying matching, but I'm not trying to match the couch. I'm just trying to do a color that goes with the couch. Hello, my name is Michelle, and I'm a receipt hoarder. Yeah, so bad. So I dumped out my purse the other day when we were leaving the house to go somewhere, and yeah, there was a tons of receipts in there, and I'm a receipt hoarder, and I need to rein that in. So actually, I ended up throwing all of these receipts away. I didn't need any of them. When people hand me receipts, I just stuff them in my purse. I'm like, I wish they would say, do you want your receipt? And then I could say, no. So I'm just finishing up loading the dishwasher, and I am scrubbing the muffin tin. I made some banana muffins the other day when the littles were over here. They were gluten-free, dairy-free banana muffins. If you're interested in that recipe, I will go ahead and make a video for you. Just let me know in the comments below.
I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in.
Okay, the refrigerator needs cleaned out, but I don't feel like doing it now. But I do plan on going to the grocery store later, so I will have to do that before I go. But you will have to wait and see if that actually happens.
Now I'm
Okay, break number 2, and here's a reminder to myself and to anyone else. Some days you just have more energy than others, and so take as many breaks as you need so you can keep going. I decided to take a break and have a little bit of lunch, and this is leftovers from yesterday. Hubby and I went for a drive and along the river, and we stopped at El Chico's for lunch, so I had that for lunch today, leftovers, and I am taking out a pot roast to make for dinner tonight. Alright, now I decided to do some planning. Last time I posted a video, I was doing my planning at the end of the day. It doesn't really matter. Whenever I can fit it in or feel like doing it, and for some reason my budget planner was in my office. I don't usually do the budget. I usually do it while I'm watching TV. That's what I like to do with the planning and the budgeting. The craft room office is really saved for craft room stuff.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time.
Okay, new month, new budget. So how did I do? So I won't give you all the details. I will tell you that I do use the same budget every month. And for the month of February, we were under budget, so the extra we had left over went straight into the savings account.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here.
Okay, I heard some noise outside, so I decided to see what was going on. It was some sandhill cranes showing off their little baby. Can you see it over there, hiding behind mommy and daddy? And this actually not only happens in the spring, it happens in the fall too. So it's kind of nice to see the little babies. It's so cute. Okay, just watching TV while folding some laundry. And it looks like hubby decided to eat his leftovers. And I hope he's still going to be hungry for dinner. What am I talking about? I'm sure he's still going to be hungry for dinner.
What it means to grow.
After break number 3, I decided to get out of my pajamas and actually put some clothes on, and I'm putting away the laundry, and then I'm going to make the bed. I am not washing the sheets today. I may do it later this week, but I had so much laundry to do that I just didn't want to wash the sheets today.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Yeah,
Okay, time to make dinner, and I'm making pot roast in the pressure cooker. I don't really use my pressure cooker that much, just for pot roast, and I haven't made it in a while actually.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before.
And I'm just cutting up some vegetables that I'm going to roast in the oven, some potatoes, onions, and whatever else I had in the fridge.
It is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got. It is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know.
Okay, and more laundry to do. The sun is starting to set, and the day is almost done.
Now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by.
Alright, just checking off what I did today. Sometimes I only put like a half mark on things because I didn't finish them. I don't know why I do that. I should just check them off. So I feel like I didn't get as much done as I did last week, and this was a longer video or a longer amount of time. I started at 9:45, and last week I started at 2. Whatever. It is what it is. And we were just hanging out with each other and watching TV and just chilling today. So whatever got done, got done. So I'm going to put all my planners away, and yeah.
It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on.
And I really should go through this paperwork. Yeah, but you know what? That's not happening today. I need to finish straightening up the kitchen and finish dinner and do a few other things.
What it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Okay, so I watered these plants and they were soaking in the sink, so I'm going to put them back out on the patio. I cleaned out the front porch a little bit the other day. I didn't clean it all the way, and I'll try to get to it again. hopefully this week.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough.
Okay, dinner was yummy and I had just a little bit of leftovers, enough for hubby's lunch for tomorrow and maybe a little more. And I'm gonna sit down and watch TV and watch YouTube Talk with Denise Jordan, which I watch every Sunday. It's about growing your channel and things you can do to do that, grow your channel. It's a live video, so if you want to join in every Sunday, I'll put down the link down below. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day, and don't forget, just keep swimming.
It never pays in